Yeah, welcome to this class. And today we want to look at how to register for your KRA PIN. Now, the first thing you do is to go to the iTax portal. You have to open your Google or Google Chrome or Mozilla, depending on which one you're using. And then you go to Google and you type iTax. Once you tend to KRA iTax, and you have to be patient and yeah, it is still loading. So that is it. Now you are on KRA portal. So what you do, you say that you want to get a new PIN and you click on that. You'll be directed to this page, and then you say that you are an individual. Remember, for an individual, this is for companies. So you say you are an individual, and then you also say that you want to use an online form. You click the next button. So, yep, you will be on this page. Information, you say no. Citizenship, click that you're a KRA for turnover tax. You see, most cases, those who are applying for their KRA PIN are normally students. So what you do, of course, anyone who is employed has a KRA PIN. So what you do, you go and click that this is for a student. And then you say this is a certificate student, and he or she is on year 1. Once you're done with that part, you'll be directed to this part where you're supposed to insert the ID number. Let me use this ID number. And then upon writing your ID number, the next thing you do is to write the date of birth. Write the date of birth. So the other details, you don't write anything. You come down here and check, click anywhere outside this. So once you click, all the details that were registered with that ID number will appear here. So you come down here and say that you now fill other details down here. The land rates number, in most cases, most of people don't have the land rates number. So you come and fill the building. You'll say maybe this person live on Vescon Plaza, and then street, he live in Bamburi, and then city is in Mombasa, and then county is Mombasa. We'll look for Mombasa. There's a drop down, county Mombasa, and then you say district, maybe this person live in Nyali. Tax locality, once you click Nyali, I don't know why it's not bringing the tax locality. Okay, for the sake of that ID number that I gave up there, that ID number, because it is just for learning, it's for learning. So this ID number cannot work with Mombasa. So I will use where it can work, where, yes, because you must match the details with what is on the ID number. So once you match these details, then the details will appear here. So this part here, you fill these details based on the information in your ID. Now on the principal postal address, you select random. No, not random. You select where you live. from that drop down button, and then you write your PO box. Then you'll come here and insert your mobile number. Insert your mobile number. You'll be. These are the two important parts on this. Two important areas. That is your ID number and your email address. If you give your email address like julia@gmail.com, you click outside here, they're telling that this ID is already registered with another taxpayer. So in order to continue, you must probably verify email address. Okay. So, okay, the ID, that part, because I'm not submitting this, what I wanted you to see is that immediately you write your ID number, no, you write your email address, you'll be given this option, you send the OTP. Now this, when you click here, upon giving your email address, when you click here, a certain code will be sent to your email. You'll pick that code, come and copy it here. Once you click send OTP, a code will be sent to your email address. Then this part here, would you like to subscribe for or unsubscribe alerts? You say unsubscribe. Do you have an alternative? You click no. Do you wish to declare a bank account? You click no. Are you a partner, director, trustee in the entity? You click no. Would you like to declare your relationship with another taxpayer? You say no. It's not necessary to upload in a document here. So what you do, you click next. Now here you'll be asked, here you are registering for income tax resident, and then you write the date. Yeah, you write the date you are registered. Then after that, you will come to this part here. You ask about your source of employment. Of course, most cases here you don't have any employment. You're just looking for the PIN, meaning that your employer must have requested you to give him or her a PIN before getting a job. Otherwise, that part you click no in all section. Business income, you say no. Rental income, you say no. And you go to the last part here. On this part, you don't include anything here. Tax agent authorized to submit any application on behalf of the taxpayer. There isn't. Intermediate agent submit returns on behalf of the taxpayer. So that part is not necessary. So what you do, you come and do some mathematics here. Like in this case, 102 plus 15, this is 117. Yeah, if you have inserted details correctly, what you're going to do last is to submit. You click this submit button. And so once you click the submit button, your PIN will be sent to your registered email address, and still you can download it from the portal. Immediately you click submit button, the PIN will be shared shortly on the portal, and you can download it from there as well. But the important or the best way is you go to your email address after you have clicked the submit button, and the PIN will be sent to your email address. Otherwise, I want to stop there, and tomorrow we are going to see how to file your returns. Thank you.